Noirvere Bags Review. Noirvere Legit or Scam. Noirvere Bags Review. Noirvere Legit or Scam. If you're a fan of designer-style handbags at discounted prices, Noirvere Bags might have caught your attention online. But is Noirvere a trustworthy store, or is it just another scam? Most people get this wrong by judging sites solely by their flashy product images. The surprising truth is that Noirvere is an online retailer offering a mix of fashion bags, some inspired by high-end designer looks. Customer feedback is mixed. Some buyers report receiving quality products that match descriptions, while others claim the bags look cheaper than expected or shipping takes longer than advertised. You won't believe what happens next. Safety and purchase verification are key. Make sure the website uses secure payment methods and read the return policy thoroughly. Avoid sharing unnecessary personal information and consider starting with a small purchase to test reliability. In conclusion, Noirvere Bags is not a clear-cut scam, but it comes with caution. You may receive decent quality products, but shipping times and product expectations can vary. If your shopping here, proceed carefully, verify seller credentials, and keep realistic expectations about product quality compared to luxury brands.